it's not a you just go down like with a piece of rope or something, and it's all enclosed, and you open the boat, and